Namaste friends, welcome in the Techno Trade Jay. Now we are discussing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty for the next week position. Today is the 17th March 2024. You can follow me on the Twitter technotrade_Jay. Let's discuss the Nifty and the Bank Nifty chart. On screen, Nifty 50 chart is open in the daily time frame. Here you are seeing that the Nifty give the breakout at this big candle, again retest that level and again its down moment and make a doji candle in the daily time frame. Let's see in the weekly position, and then after we will see in the 15-minute time frame. Let's see in the weekly time frame, same range in the weekly time frame, and it's give a breakdown. We have to confirm it's a fake breakout, sorry, fake breakdown, or it's a trap. Let's see in the 15-minute in the daily time frame. In the 15-minute daily time frame, 22,050 is a resistance level and 21,800 support level. If Nifty will break up or break down above 22,050 level, we will continue for the up movement. And if the Nifty break down 21,800, then its a downtrend will continue. In the last 30 minutes, huge sell off seen in the Nifty. 30 minutes in a Nifty. Let's see in the Bank Nifty. First we will see the Bank Nifty in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, Bank Nifty support the channel and make a doji candle. Let's see in the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, same things also happening in the Bank Nifty chart. Let's see in the 15-minute time frame. In the 15-minute time frame, market is confusing in the end time. Last 15 minutes sell out we are seeing, and before 15 minutes huge buying moment seen. Let's discuss seeing the Monday opening price. You can Bank Nifty, you can enter above those 47,150 and sell below 45,700. Let's see some stocks for the clear picture. Let's see in the Reliance give the breakout and then try to support this level 28,000. If Monday Reliance will bounce back, Nifty will cross the 22,050 level. Let's see in the HDFC also in the buying territory and huge buying seen on the Friday. It's making a W pattern. So our next target of the HDFC Bank is 15,1560. Let's see in the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is also in the good level. Let's about the Kotak Bank is also in the good buying territory. So it's indicated that the Monday will gap up opening. We will see. Let's discuss on the gold. Gold, maybe some profit booking will come near 2130 level. After that, it will be bounce up. Let's see in the silver. Silver is also in the up moment buying side. What about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin will come near 60,000, then we will go for 1 lakh target. Let's see in the crude. Crude is also giving a break up, but Monday it will some profit booking in the crude. Then after it will decide the perfect track. Let's see in the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also in the downside territory, and it's also behave like a Nifty. We will focus on the Nifty. Thank you. Have a nice day.